What is up, everyone? This is Too Slow. Today I'm going to be installing Norton springs and shocks on the XRS. And I actually did one side yesterday already, just to get an idea if it's going to be easy or not. Rears are kind of easy, but because I have the rear brace in the way, it's kind of hard. But we should be fine. I should be fine. Let's get to it. Once you have the wheel removed, you can either start from the bottom or from the top. I prefer to start from the top, so you have 3 12 millimeters, and you want to pop this cap off. There we go. Okay, so I'm not sure what size this is, but I'll figure it out. Looks like it was actually time to replace this shock, because look, you got a bunch of oil and grease. Look at that, from most likely right here. Like, yep, all the oil's coming out from here. See that? Shock's blown. So it's a really good thing that I'm doing this right now in the Corolla's life. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove this first. I'm gonna remove this one and this one. This right here, over here, 14. You have a 14 millimeter right here, holding the ABS and the brake line. It's like a bracket that holds both of them together. And take that out. 14 millimeter. And with that, you can set the brake line away, and also the ABS or wheel speed sensor. Not sure what it is. I'm pretty sure it's one of those two. Since this is stripped, I mean, I have the right tool, and I ended up stripping it. I don't know how. Most likely because of all the rust. So I found it easier that you have to clamp the spring and I guess this top section so that you avoid getting the thing off place. I don't know how to explain it, but like basically what I did to get this top part off was to clamp the spring and the top part down, so just like that. I believe it is a 17, yep, 17. Okay, so let's see if I could do this like this. Oh my god, this is gonna be so hard. Wow, huge explosion. that 14 mil should be able to go in a lot easier now. Or what is this, 17 mil? I think it's 17 mil, my bad. Let's see. There it goes. I think that's it. These are tight. This is tight. This is tight. These are tight. Top ones are tight, so let's put the wheel back on. Oh shit.
Top quality mechanic right there, you.
It was hard.
Sure. We'll call it that. Bearings in it and all that crap, and it was out of punch press block. I'm like, why, Master, why?
Oh my god. I'm gonna cut myself. Oh, there it goes. Okay, cool. Really? No voicemails?
No voicemails. I was like, I don't want to hear none of
I fucking hate getting this back one. Where is it at? Oh my god, it is out of control. It's fucking far away.
I'm like, yep, never again will I buy a used tire.
Yeah, I stopped buying used tires a long time ago.
Did you buy used? No, give me brand new. At least I get a warranty with it.
I get mine off eBay. They're cheaper. Fuck. Oh my god. God, please don't.
Don't run away.
Yeah. KYBs, dude. Ass.
IS. Does it come with KYBs from the factory or?
Yeah.
Okay. What do they tell you in shop class not to fucking do?
Dude, I can't even get it. Hold on. Let's do this.
Oh, what up?
What do you get? Dude, you guys are overreacting.
Shots fired.
It's already loose.
Yeah, no, but I need to take a photo of this and put it on the Reddit OSHA thing.
Oh, go for it. It's probably not good. No, make a video if you want. Where? $17, where are you? Is this 17? Where's my, can you give me my half inch? Or
I don't want to touch your half inch.
God damn you guys. You guys are fucking stupid. I don't have a half inch. Here we go. What? You ready? You ready?
Yeah, I'm not.
Oh shit! That's just gonna go boom! Oh my god, that was so much!
Put it on eBay.
$1.
Isn't it supposed to go up though?
Yeah.
It's supposed to shoot back up. Yeah, she's fuck.
You need to give us some Viagra.
So it goes like this.
So wait, how many sisters do you have?
2.
Okay.
They're both older than me.
Got it. Is the one over there the Sac State one, or?
They both already graduated from Sac State. Here, come over here and help me.
File a fucking motion complaint, man.
No.
Come on, push harder. Push harder. Don't be a bitch.
Alright, that's enough.
Go.
No, that's enough. Yeah, that they still got the $5 time play card, right?
Yep.
God damn it. And no, it doesn't have a timeout, right?
Nope. All it has is a 2-minute timeout. Timeout period.
Wrench. With the extension on the, yep, there you go. Almost done.
And what's going? Nobody goes to Golfland, so the machine's like in the pristine condition. All the shifters work.
Yeah, when I was there for Roseville, the Sunsplash, it was empty, the arcade. Everyone was just outside, just in the water park.
I think I leveled up so fast.
Oh wow, the actual stock shocks are pretty cheap.
My pocket.
Yeah,
How
one,
did that
yeah,
get-
one that's a 25, one that's a 85. Those are like the main 2 numbers I use.
Alright, let's put the wheel back on.
I get my neighbors bugging me all the time about car questions.
Car questions.
They're older lady.
As long as their pussy is tight.
You know, I don't have any teeth anymore.
Wow.
Getting carjacked, huh? Literally.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear.